Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
女
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
女 呢 雨 女 女 女 生 女 生 她是一个女生，她是一个女生。女孩，女孩，这个女孩很可爱。这个女孩很可爱。女儿，女儿，她的女儿在学中文。她的女儿在学中文。
Now let's write this Chinese character. This character represents gentle, quiet, and graceful temperament. With the development of the times, Chinese women in modern culture are more independent and self-reliant. It is also a high-frequency basic radical in Chinese characters, and most characters related to women and gender take this character as their component. Please note that this stroke should not be too long, but this stroke must be written long. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.